Traders started the new trading week in a cautious mood. The US dollar has got stuck in a trading range as Washington and China are rebooting the trade talks. Besides, investors are anticipating the minutes of the latest policy meeting of the Federal Reserve, as well as inflation data from the US. The minutes could shed light on the Fed's intention to cut interest rates at the nearest policy meeting. The US dollar index is still trapped inside the range of 98.74 to 99 points. Mass media reported a warp-up from the talks that Chinese officials were reluctant to agree to a broad trade agreement with the US. The trade talks are due to resume on Thursday. However, investors are skeptical about any progress that's mirrored in quotes of currency pairs and the stock market. The US equity market is also trading on the pessimistic note. The US stocks opened on Monday with a decline. A minor retracement in the US benchmark indices has prospects for a further strong downtrend. In the early Wall Street session, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slumped 140 pips, having lost 0.53%. At the end of the trading week, Canada is going to report on its employment. The consensus does not suggest strong data, which could assure the Bank of Canada to follow the overall trend of rate cuts among central banks. Notably, the Canadian dollar is gaining ground despite such expectations. The loonie is taking advantage from temporary weakness of its American rival. The dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is trying to cling to the level below the psychological mark of 1.3300. The pair could find support from remarks by Fed's Chair Jerome Powell. He is scheduled to deliver a speech at the premiere of the film about Marinier Eccles, who headed the Federal Reserve during Great Depression and the Second World War. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you back tomorrow.